Good morning grade 6. Welcome back to grade 6 mathematics class. Hope you all are doing great today. Let's learn how we can construct an angle of a given measure today. So we have learned we can use a protractor to measure and construct angles. So here there is a question, construct an angle of measure 50 degree. So let's see the steps involved. The first step is to draw a line segment of any length, and this will represent one arm of the angle. So take the ruler and you have to draw a line segment of any length. Now this will be one arm of the angle. So let's mark this line segment with points AB. Now the next step is to take the protractor, place it on line segment AB such that the baseline coincides with line segment AB. Also, make sure that the origin or the midpoint of the baseline of the protractor, it should coincide with one of the endpoints of this line segment. So here I have placed the protractor such that the baseline coincides with line segment AB and the origin or the midpoint of the baseline coincides with the point A of the line segment. So now the next step is to start counting from 0 degree, and the required angle should have a measure of 50 degree. So start counting from 0 degree. This is 10 degree, 20, 30, 40, 50. So you can see the 50 degree mark. Corresponding to the 50 degree mark, you put a point and let this point be point C. Now set aside the protractor, take the ruler again, and you have to join the points A and C, and you can extend that line. So align your ruler properly, and then you have to join the points A and C, and you can extend the line. So right now you can draw the arrow marks. So now we have angle CAB, and the measure of this angle is equal to 50 degree. So this is how we can construct an angle using the protractor, the ruler and the pencil. So this was an acute angle. It is less than 90 degree. Now let's see the construction of an obtuse angle. So here the question is to construct an angle of measure 135 degree. That is more than 90 degree, and hence an obtuse angle. First step, draw a line segment of any length. Let this be PQ. Now the next step is to take the protractor. You can place it in such a way that the midpoint of the baseline coincides with any one of the two endpoints of the line segment. So here I am placing it such that the midpoint of the baseline coincides with the endpoint Q of line segment PQ. So now we are going to start counting the degrees from the outer scale of the protractor from this side. So it is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So after that 100, 110, 120, 130, and between 130 and 140 we can see 135. So put a point there. Let this point be point A. Set aside the protractor. Now with your ruler you have to connect the points Q and A. Align the ruler properly, then join the points. Now put the arrow marks to represent the arms of the angle. Now we have angle AQP or angle PQA or angle Q, and this measures 135 degree. This is an obtuse angle because it is more than 90 degree. So this is an example of how we can construct an obtuse angle using the protractor, the ruler and the pencil. I hope the steps are clear to you. There are more questions given in your textbook. First, you go to the topic constructing an angle of a given measure, which is given from page number 212 of your textbook. Then you will be ready to work out the first question of exercise 14.5. So please construct the angles with the given measures and take a picture and send us through tips. So that's all for today, children. Let's meet in the next class with a new topic. Till then, bye.